What's up, guys? Here's part 2. That's what we've done so far. Sorry about the background noise, but the neighbors are also letting off stuff, so yeah, not bad. So here's the car that I made. It does not have a firecracker in it. It has a one of those flower ones, so it's gonna probably spin. So let's light this baby up. All it will do is burn the plastic, so not too bad. Probably can't use that again. Damn, it's all melted. But there it is, guys. I got that on video for you. And I'll probably get some fountains on video and other stuff, but I should probably put that out. So I'll see you guys then. When you're hitting the tin. Can I get that? Nope. Yep. Look a little bit closer. Hold me by news closer. Look at God. Let's get 3. 3 in 1. Eh? Light one at a time. That's for babies. I follow, go big or go home. Oh, they're all going big and big and home. That was nice. Come on, let's do this. But it always will probably come up to you. Ooh. Alright, guys, here's the mess. I got a few things. So this basically will just light and then it will spin. So let's see what we got. That's gonna spin. Not bad. Here we have a ground balloon flower. These will fly up in the air. bad. Look at that. It's like that one. People are lighting stuff off. Makes my stuff look bad. Let's put that one right there. Oh, shut up. I got little flower balls. That didn't work, did it? Should I relight it, guys? It's a dud. Alright, guys, these are the baby fountains, and let's light them up. Let's do a purple and a blue. Here's the destruction. Oh, that tank looks really sick. There's the Hot Wheels car. You guys saw that earlier. Put that like that. These bugs are killing me. So, yeah, I got both. Well, there's no turning back. Let's try this. It is called Confetti Lights by Phantom Fireworks. It's a fountain, and should pack an impact, and then I'll move on to Pyrofan. I know Adam's looking to see that, WWE 5155, and let's see. That last clip you saw, the jumping jacks, I thought they were firecrackers, so that's my mistake. And, yeah, some of them did not light. That's okay. So I already did jalapeno pepper, you guys saw that, and I did these three. So, this is gonna be loud, I know it. Time to do Pyrofan. This is the biggest fountain I have, and let's get it. Let's get it home. Here goes Pyrofan. Definitely one of my favorites is Pyrofan. Guys, here we have a flower, and then 1, 2 crackling salutes. I should light the other ones. Yeah. Did both of them light? Guess not. Damn, that was nice. I got 2 more. Yeah. And here's the last one.